not, I mean, it's not abnormal for analog either, so I don't know. Yeah, I would think RF would sound a little different. You know, so I just can't figure out where that's coming from. The other thing I got to thinking of, try changing your PL tone to something else. I remember almost having some trouble. I'd set like 88.6 or whatever, and I ended up reading something that's
Alpha 1, Papa Romeo Allstar, link PL 173.8.
A little bit of a hum. I'm not sure if it's inherent in the Alinco radio, Allstar, the PL tone, whatever it is. I've tried to eliminate it, so I ordered some ferrite beads of assorted sizes. So let's get this open and see what I got. Okay, open up the bigger bag, and there's a smaller bag. Yet another bag. Well, I also want to see where this thing came from. Global shipping. Yeah, so this thing was not shipped in the United States. It came from outside the state somewhere. That's why it's taken me almost 2 weeks to get the damn things. As you can see, I got some assorted sizes. The big ones, that's probably 3/8 1/2 inch. Can't see through the package. That's maybe 3/16 of an inch. 1/8 inch. About the same size. Very small 1/8 inch. And I guess these are probably like 1/16 of an inch. Okay, there we go. We got a ferrite bead here. That's the one I added originally. Another one and the bigger one around the cable. 3 times. Server fan. There's the node. Let's see what happens.
Alpha 1, Papa Romeo Allstar, link PL 173.8.
Okay, I think the noise is still there. I'm going to put one more on the Cat 5 cable, and after that, maybe a small one on the power lead. Maybe one on the power lead to the radio, maybe 2. Not much more I can do. It's got to be inherent in the node or something somewhere. Okay, so I got a ferrite bead around the 2 power cables there, and around the negative. If any noise usually comes into something, it's on the negative. Around the Cat 5 cable, around the USB cable, and around the power cable. Not much more I can cover with shielded ferrite beads, or ferrite beads to help shield the cables, take any RF off the line. Okay, for grins and giggles, I have one more around the positive cable. Goes into the radio. I don't know what else to do here. Unless that fan is creating all that noise, but I've disconnected the fan and the noise remains. Okay, the noise is less. But anyways, let me show you. AA1PR testing. I didn't hear it that time.
The time is 2:39 p.m.
Yeah, I didn't hear it, so maybe we got it eliminated finally. Well, there's my Allstar node. If you can see Boardman Hill through the fog in the background, my node is on the back side of there, so it's only running 5 watts, but I'm even surprised to hear this. I'm going up the hill on Ira, and my node just came up in signal strength as I go higher, which makes sense.
I think I did a little research on that. I wrote the call signs down, the frequency, kind of the time. I think it was Monday night, so I'll do it again. I know way back when they had frequencies had call signs too. And,
if I could only get an outdoor antenna and high in the clear to run 10 watts, I think this thing would have one hell of a footprint.